Hey, what's up guys? Today on this video I'm gonna show you how to make a kitchen crown molding like this, like round one and corner one. It's very simple, so we'll use this mold, but if you don't have that one, we can I'll show you how to draw it very fast from scratch. So first of all, let's create a element. I'm gonna take like 100 by 100. Just an example. Then let's go to shape editor. Then let's put on ground our mold. If you need this drawing, I can send you. Just let me know in the comment, and we will make it a little bit less. Yeah, like this. And we can start to drawing. So yeah, just like that. And now we have this mold. So it's a little bit bigger than this one, because right now this one 94 by 64, yeah? Let's do the same. Yeah, something like this. Then now I'm gonna delete those molding, and I'll show you how to use tool for creating this molding, crown molding. So let's put exactly in the corner. And once you hit the element, go to tools and let's hit lathe, and here we can put two steps, corner and 90 degree, and just create. So here we go. This still we have, and this one we can use for our corner crown molding. And the round one, even easier. Just put somewhere here in the corner and go again to the tool lathe, and here just put 90 degree, nothing else. And here it is. This one we can delete, and this one we can use for our round corner. Yeah, something like this. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you found it useful. If you need the small, or if you need that drawing, just let me down in the comment and I'll send you a link. I hope you guys doing well, and see you in the next one.